Okay, here's my fourth ultrasound, and I'm going to record a clip of it when the baby gets the hiccups and gets really pissed off about it. It's pretty cute. There they go. Flipped over, turned its butt towards us, then flipped back over on its back, and now it's back to us again. Now it's on its back, fighting its umbilical cord wrapped around its feet with the hiccups. So just a bad couple moments, apparently. It's its little feet. It's trying to fight the umbilical cord at this point, it looks like. It kept its legs crossed the majority of the time, so you could see like one foot, like the toes towards us, and then the other foot is kind of straight up, but and crossed at like the knees. See the toes? And its hand is by its face. That's its right hand, touching its nose right there. Four fingers up. And its spine. Little toes. Hiccups are vicious. Alright, there we go. Baby coming soon.